Hello, my name is Norma with Mommy's Design, and in this channel you're going to be learning DIYs that you can use them as a gift, or you can also use them to gift. Let's not wait any longer and let's get to the table. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these cute little pouches for Halloween. So for these, you're going to be needing 3 color acrylic paint, and I got these at the Dollar Tree. You're going to need a white, a yellow, and an orange. So I got these 3 at the Dollar Tree. You're going to need a stapler. You're going to need a marker. You're going to need 3 brushes of any kind. You're going to need the tube that is inside these paper towels. Those are the ones we're going to be using. And just for time's sake, I already cut the one that I already had. And you're going to get 3 out of 1 roll. And I already painted these 2 coats of white. You're going to be needing some scissors. You're going to need ribbon. This thickness, I think this is like 5 millimeters. I think that's what it is. You don't need something too thick. Oh, and you need, I have these little cards that then I dispose of them. And you also going to need a heat gun and some candy. So right now I have some candy from other things that I have done. I really like dark chocolate, so all of this is dark chocolate. So I'm going to set aside the things that we don't need at the moment. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to do the orange and the yellow, since I already did the white. So we just go ahead and apply it all around, and then we can worry about making the line really perfect. So you just go all around this way, and you apply the color. Here you go. So once you have it here, you're just going to go around doing this motion. There's 1 color, so I'm going to set this aside just for a little bit, and let's go ahead and do the yellow. So then this brush is a little smaller than the other one. So we're just probably gonna just go up here and go all the way around. Let me get another yellow. I don't think I like this one. This is too watery. Okay, this is a different yellow. It's a little darker, but I think I'm gonna like it better, because the other one doesn't really cover a lot. Yeah, I think I like this one better. Okay, so here's the first one. Let's go ahead and do all of them, and I will see you back. Here we go. They already painted and dry. I think they came out pretty good. So now this is the next step. Is going to be very easy. Just make sure that you heat gun is heated. I already made 2 little balls, and basically what we're going to do is very easy. We're just going to put these together, and if you cut uneven like I sometimes do, you're just going to go ahead and cut it so it's even, and you're going to put 2 staples just like so. Here we go. And then you're gonna turn it the other way, and the other one goes just like that. So before we close it, we're gonna go ahead and put some candy. So let's figure out how much candy you can put. I think 1 Hershey and 3 or 4 of the Kisses. So now instead of going this way, you're going to go the other way around, and you're just going to go ahead and put another staple, So that easy. Okay, so now right here, what we're going to do, we're going to give our little corn candy, we're gonna give it some eyes. So you just go like right here, just like that. And then we're gonna give it a little smile, just like that. And you can play with it. I mean, if you're more creative, you might wanna do something else. And then I'm gonna get just a little touch of the white that I want to put inside the eyes, just right in the middle, and there it is. Here's your first one. Okay, now let's go ahead and do a girl. So again, we go ahead and even this up. We put one staple, two staples. Uh-oh. That one didn't work out good. So that's the second one. And we're just gonna go ahead and put one Hershey and 4 of the kisses. I recommend that if you're gonna put loose like M&Ms or anything that is loose, use a little plastic bag. Like let me see, let me show you. I have a few. I have these little plastic bags that you can put, like if it's loose, anything, if you buy them by bulk and just decide to put a little bit, just put it in a little baggie like that, and then use gloves, of course, and then you can just go ahead and do that. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. Here we go. So that was a boy, now this is a girl. So we go right here, and then we're gonna give it some eyes. We're gonna go I'm gonna go 1 and 2, and we're gonna give it a few eyelashes here, 3 or 5 eyelashes right there. And then we're gonna go ahead and give it a little mouth, just like that. Let's give it a little temple right there. And now we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of glue. Let's see here. A little bit of glue there. And we're gonna put it right on one side. Ooh. And there you go. Your little girl and your little boy, ready for Thanksgiving. Okay, so there it is, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for me today. May the Lord bless you today and every day, and until next time, thank you.